on July 29th in the Union Cabinet meeting chaired by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. The new policy, which replaces the 34-year-old policy, aims to pave way for transformational reforms in school and higher education systems in the country. The Prime Minister emphasized that the national education policy aims to keep the current and the future generation future ready while focusing on the national values and national goals. National education policy lays the foundation of New India as it is based on a holistic approach. With the launch of NEP, new paradigms in higher education have now emerged, and with the effective implementation of NEP 2020, India aims to become a global study destination providing premier education at affordable costs. It also covers significant aspects like holistic, multidisciplinary, and futuristic education, quality research, and equitable use of technology for better reach in education. आप आज जो करते हैं उस पर भविष्य निर्भर करता है. यही बात सोचकर ये 2 दिवसीय 2-day national workshop was thought of, and this workshop, national level workshop of NEP 2020 in context of integrated teacher education program and other reforms of NCTE with emphasis on NEP 2020 is organized by Mata Sundari College for Women, University of Delhi, in partnership with National Council for Teacher Education and Vidya Bharatiya Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Sansthan, New Delhi. This workshop will be for 2 days, today and tomorrow, at Indian National Science Academy, INSA, New Delhi. It aims at sensitization, orientation in sharing the cumulative value-added information on NEP 2020 for a wider reach. NEP 2020 puts forward many policy changes when it comes to teachers and teacher education. The policy aims to ensure that all students at all levels of school education are taught by passionate, motivated, highly qualified, professionally trained, and well-equipped teachers. NCTE has done numerous changes in teacher education sector. As emphasized in NEP 2020, it brings paradigm shift in the role of teachers with particular emphasis on pre-service teacher education and in-service teacher education capacity building, which includes major milestones. The first of all, here NEP, जो NCTE ने NEP को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो कार्य किए हैं उनके बारे में मैं आपको संक्षिप्त में बताती हूँ, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं चाहती हूँ कि NCTE के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाई जाएं, क्योंकि जो इन्होंने किया है वो शायद आने वाले सालों में बहुत ही बड़ी भूमिका निभाएगा हमारे टीचर एजुकेशन सेक्टर में. इसमें है 4 साल का जो प्रोग्राम आया है, 4 years इंटीग्रेटेड टीचर एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम, जो ITEP के नाम से जाना जाता है. नेशनल कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट NCET, ये एकमात्र टेस्ट होगा जो स्टूडेंट्स को देने के बाद क्वालिफाई करेगा ITEP की एडमिशंस के लिए. नेशनल प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर टीचर्स NPST, नेशनल मिशन फॉर मेंटरिंग NMM, and extension of TET to all level of school education. This is one of the series of workshops on sensitizing, orientation, in sharing the cumulative value-added information on NEP 2020 for a wider reach at length. The program has been designed to build the capacity for the capacity building of the teachers and teacher educators in this field of education. आपको थोड़ा सा और विस्तार में इस कार्यक्रम में हम जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे हम आपको बताते रहेंगे. पहले जो गणमान्य व्यक्ति हमारे डाइस पर बैठे हैं उनका हम स्वागत करते हैं कि आप सभी अपने व्यस्त in spite of your busy schedules you were able to take out time and come on weekend, and agreeing to come on weekend to grace this function. So they deserve a big round of applause from all of you for sparing their valuable time for this. Now I request that our guests should be facilitated for this. First of all, Chief Guest Ma'am,